some things becomes better with age, I think. Like leather jackets, some of the leather handbags, wine, men, myself. Hello my loves, welcome back to another handbag video. Today I'm doing a review of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM after 4 years of using. I know I have a couple of handbags video pending to do, including this baby as well as this one. However, I thought that this video will be really useful for those of you who are looking into starting your luxury handbag collection. And as we know, I mean, that's also my personal opinion, Louis Vuitton is a first brand to start with building your collection, especially their classic pieces which they have throughout the years that are their staples and classic. By that I mean Speedy and Neverfull, and usually people debating between these two. I would personally recommend Neverfull because you will get more use out of it. If you are a uni student, you can put all your books there and heavy stuff. If you need many things on a daily basis due to work, it will all fit, including big water bottle. If you are a mom and you need a diaper bag and a mom kind of stuff in there, it will all fit. And mostly it's great for what I use it personally, for traveling. I use it as a carry-on luggage and it serves its purpose great. I got it 4 years ago in Athens during one of my trips to Greece as my first big luxury purchase. Excluding this little baby, I got it first in Abu Dhabi. It was my first purchase from Louis Vuitton, but of course you cannot get as much use out of this. It's a limited way of using this, obviously. I made a video about it too, so I will link it somewhere. I mostly use it as a carry-on, and this is the most, I would say, tough way of using bag, because as you know, airplane environment is not bag friendly, and if you would use your Chanel or any other lambskin bag, that would not affect it in a good way. We all know that. However, this thing stands the test of time perfectly. You put it in the overhead stowage, you put it on the floor, under the seat, it doesn't look damaged at all. I also have a video on my channel about how I pack it when I use it as a carry-on luggage. Do I use it every single day as a day bag? Of course not, but I really get a lot of use out of it as a carry-on because I travel and fly a lot. Let me also say, for those of you who are considering that purchase, as of now in 2020, after all price increases by Louis Vuitton, it costs $1,357. This is the conversion rate. In pounds on the website it shows 1,040 pounds. I obviously paid less because I got it 4 years ago. I also got some of my money back due to the tax refund, because at the time I was living in UAE. As a person with permanent stay there, I could get my money back after shopping in Europe. Mentioning the price also brings me to the point of that this is really investment bag, because now, as you see, after 4 years of using it, looks almost immaculate. So even if I want to sell it as a used bag with a signs of wear and tear, which I will come to in a moment, I would still get all my money back due to all the recent price increases of the bag throughout 4 years. Speaking of price, also I was thinking, how can we justify price? Because I came across opinion that Louis Vuitton is not worth the money, that you can't really justify that price for the bag which is not leather, because I don't know if you all know, but I just want to stress the fact that this is not full-on leather bag. Only this part is untreated leather, all the light part, and it also has some part inside. This is untreated leather. Everything else is coated canvas. To me, it justifies price because nothing makes a bag more durable than this. Believe me, if I had a leather bags and I would use it as carry-on luggage, it would already show a wear and tear on the corners by putting it on the floor of the plane so many times. Nothing like this happened here. It All the canvas area looks brand new. It's scratch resistant, waterproof. You can do everything to it. You can have rough material scratching around it. Nothing will happen, not even nails. Like some lambskin bags like my Gucci Marmon, it even has signs when I accidentally scratch it with my nails lightly. Another thing to justify the price, although it's still big, I know. I justify that by cost per wear, and how many bags would you use that would fall apart throughout 4 years and they would not stand the test of time, but this does and still look brand new. It came with this pouch. I also have a separate video about that, which I will link somewhere here. It can serve great as an insert to your bag, like a pouch when you divide your stuff when you pack for flight. But it also is a separate handbag to use. You can use it as a clutch, you can use it as a going out handbag for like a date night where you don't need many things. And it also has a pocket inside and it fits really a lot. Again, it is coated canvas and only leather part is this, and it has a leather top with authenticity coat inside top as well. This is not like a review, a proper review. I did a review about this when I bought it, but I think the video was quite bad quality, so I did delete that. Anyway, another pros of this bag: it holds tons, it is indestructible. Is that the word? Yeah, where's my husband to tell me how to speak English? It has beautiful interior, as you can see. It's such an eye candy, great pop of color, just something that draws your eyes to it. Very thick berry color, as you can see, similar to what I like in here, and I also have a glass there in the kitchen, the same color, so obviously that's a pro to me. You can wear it a couple of ways, because you can make it smaller by cinching those straps. Also, speaking of straps, those are very durable. They look flimsy and like something that would not carry a lot, but believe me, it does carry a lot. It's also super soft, so it doesn't really dig in your shoulder. Even if you stuff it till the brim, it's still okay. It's not like it will cut through your skin. It's very soft. Also, it has an inside pocket, as you all know. Let me show you. Yeah, it has an inside pocket where you can keep all your valuables if you don't want things to be thrown in a one big compartment, or you can keep it in here, as I said before. It also has this clasp that you can use to close it, so you know this bag tends to fall open like that, so it's good to have it. I usually use it only when it goes through security at the airport, because it may open like that. I have mostly tissues there right now, because you know I have a million allergies. I was supposed to speak about pros and cons, however I do not see any cons of this bag, honestly. The price maybe at the beginning if that's your first bag, but I think there's no cons. It only has pros for what it was made for. Obviously it's not an everyday bag, however you can use it as an everyday bag depending on your lifestyle. If it fits your lifestyle that you have to carry lots of things throughout the day, it will be your daily bag. But I mean, it is great handbag. It takes all the boxes for what it was made for. It is called Neverfull, not without a reason, which means you can just use it as a huge thing to stuff everything that you need, and probably everything that you also don't need. So I don't see any cons to it. It's a forever bag. It's an investment piece. You can always get your money back if you want to sell it in the future. You have two bags in a price of one and still stand the test of time. The craftsmanship of this bag is amazing. The attention to details is amazing as well. Now let me go through wear and tear. As I said, the canvas side looks completely brand new. No signs of wear and tear, no scratches, nothing. Even at the corners you cannot see anywhere However, I said already a couple of times, I put it on the floor a million times when it was packed to the brim and still looks brand new. Untreated leather becomes darker. It acquires like a honey color patina over time, and this is natural to all the Louis Vuitton handbags, but I think it only gives it character. You know, it's like leather jackets. When you first buy it, it looks pretty, but it becomes better looking over time. It just has character, and the wear and tear adds to it. You know, some things becomes better with age, I think. Like leather jackets, some of the leather handbags, wine, men, myself. Some things become better over time. And that's also the case for Louis Vuitton Neverfull. When it comes to leather, as I said, it's untreated leather. It acquired beautiful honey patina to it. Don't get caught with that in the rain. Let me tell you, do not do that. Unfortunately, it displays stains because of some rain droplets, as you can see. But it's a very minor. I was quite careful with it. I was not wearing it during the rain time. I was living on a desert for 4 years, so there was no rain obviously there. However, I was living in a super hot and humid country, and it still aged very, very, very well. When it comes to edges of the leather, it has a little bit of rubbing. You see, it's like rubbed off slightly, but nothing really major. It's not like it rubs through, that it breaks the leather and things come out or whatever. No, it still looks sort of brand new. It's not even getting dirty or anything. When it comes to hardware, still brand new. No scratches, no signs of using. The straps, they did get dark and they changed the color. However, that's the only change to them. The leather quality hasn't changed. There are no loose threads. The leather didn't split in here at all. All in all, I would say it still kind of look brand new. I guess that it's it for now. I hopefully said everything that I planned to say. Probably not. I cannot really focus and work in these conditions. It's extremely super hot here, so it's hard to focus. However, I hope this review was helpful for those of you who are planning to get this as your first handbag and debating between Neverfull and Speedy, which is also great, but hopefully this review will help you to make your decision. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet, so you will not miss any of my upcoming handbags video, but not only handbags video, there are lots of topics coming. I hope you did enjoy this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Now I need to go and stick my head in the fridge.